Hey there, Min here. So today I am going to fix my furnace. Furnace went out Christmas Eve and it's been big snowstorm here in Seattle. So my furnace igniter went out right on Christmas Eve. So there's a couple of days of super cold and I need to fix my furnace. So let's go. So I'm back from Granger after some adventure in the wild and the snow. I'm back after $22. I'm back with a new part of the igniter. So this is a hot surface igniter, and what happened was that my original igniter, which is here, and you can see that there is a crack, a break. So this hot surface igniter is like a hot filament. So prior to the furnace heating up, firing up, in order to light it, it basically light this heat, pass electricity through this filament, and it'll light up brightly. And of course, right now, when I did a test on this, I got zero. Basically, it's broken. So I got nothing, no conductivity through this thing. So there's a link that I'll put right here of this guy doing a video on describing exactly that. Okay, so let's go into and take a look at our new part. So this is the old igniter, and this is the exactly new igniter. It's exactly the same. So I'm just simply going to replace it and mount it back in, and we should be back to heating again. So I got the new hot surface igniter put up back on, and it was extremely fragile. I actually broke the other one when I was taking it off of the mount. So this, you got to be very careful. Any crack in this igniter component, the filament component, will basically prevent it from working anymore. All right, so I have the screw, and I just have to mount this thing back in exactly where it was, carefully. All right. So the trick is to understand what it is, how it was originally mounted. So I took a picture of the previously, how it was mounted. So this is actually behind.
2,000 years later.
All right, the igniter is in place. And I'll connect this back on. Now, if I put the ohm meter on this thing, I should get some resistance. I should not get infinite resistance on this. So this is conductivity, and I should get something. 66 ohm resistance. So I get about 66 ohm resistance on this, versus when I was testing it out earlier, when it was broken, I get infinite. Basically, it's completely short. It's not completely broken. It's not shorted. It's completely broken. If you're testing it out, you also want to test out 120 here. That's for the incoming as well. Okay, so now I have this completely connected. I'll turn the power back on. Everything's connected, and if you can see, the igniter is inside. So when we turn it on, what should happen is that my thermometer is going to boot up, and after it boots up, it's going to detect the temperature difference, and it's going to start the fan. Once everything powers up, it should light the igniter. You should see a big red glow, and once that happens, shortly after that, you should hear a click, and the gas should start flowing, and you should get, boom, the gas should ignite, and you should have the furnace running. Now, we'll just have to wait and see what's going on.
Moments later.
Oh. So, okay, so the fan just turned on, and you should see the igniter lights up soon. Lights up. Should be light lighting up. It should be bright. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, the igniter lighting up red. Woohoo! Yeah. The furnace is working. The igniter works. Furnace lights up. See the igniter goes down, dim. There's the flame sensor on that side. Yeah, we'll have heat tonight. It's supposed to be one of the coldest winters in Seattle, so wife will be happy. Anyway, so that was that. Fixed my furnace, $22. And I hope this was helpful. And oh, please, if you're not comfortable working with gas and working with a furnace, please hire a professional. Don't want to blow your house up or anything like that. But it is pretty simple. You know, remove the component and then install it back on. The hardest part is getting that $22 piece of component. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye.